Iberian explorer, Viking Vela, January 2026.
Today in Portsmouth I decided to stay on board. Anyway, Viking Vela was docked in Portsmouth only until 1 o'clock in the afternoon from 8 o'clock in the morning. Actually, we left quite late because, surprise, surprise, all the excursions were late this morning. So I decided to stay on board, and I discovered a new joy when cruising. Making your laundry. Of course, you have the possibility to use the ship laundry service, but as always on cruise ships, the prices are quite over the top. But Viking, like other cruise line, Princess, Cunard, they do have self laundry on board, and the launderette was a couple of doors away from my cabin. So therefore, today I try to make lighter the not very pleasant moment of arriving home, unpacking, and doing a couple of loads of washing and ironing. So I'm so proud that I'm going home with all my clothes clean. The only thing that I have to do is unpack, iron, and throw everything in my wardrobe closet, ready for my next cruise.
Iberian explorer,